Subscribe my channel Pam Station and click the bell icon to get notification for more videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pam Station and my name is Pam. Today I'm going to share with you my May Fab bag which I got in this kind of box. So let's get started. I got this bag. This is the color which I got it. It's a beautiful maroon. I really love this color. And let's check this out. For how many products are there inside the box? Okay, first in this box I got one product, this, two, then I got these two small tubs. Let's check this out as well. And then I got this bottle, and then I got these two sachets. So I'll share with you one by one what did I get. So first thing what I got is L'Amour Illuminating Blush. So I was really excited when I saw on Instagram that they already showed some pics of this blush. So this is kind of blush. It's a beautiful, coral or pink kind of brush. You need to push it like this, and oh, there's a little bit of shimmer in this. You need to, okay, can you see this? There's a dust coming out. So it's a pink blush. I'm not applying anything right now because I just applied a toner, so I want to leave it. So this is the first thing which I got it, that is L'Amour blush. And secondly I got, this is from Acne Skin Smoothing Gel Aloe Vera with neem. So cooling, soothing and antibacterial. I got it in this kind of plastic wrapper. So you can use this as any kind of DIYs, or I mostly use aloe vera gel with my hair oil, and I apply it on my hair. So that's the best use of aloe vera which I applied. Or sometimes under my eyes as well in the night time when I feel that I need something, a cooling sensation under my eyes. So I apply aloe vera gel over here. So that's also the second use aloe vera. So that is Acne's, I think I'm pronouncing it right, it's Acne's Aloe Vera second product. The third product I got is from the soap company India Intense Body Wash, and this is the kind of bottle which I got. How much this is? 100 ml. This is 100 ml a bottle. It's not many. We just need to open it like this. Wow, the smell is really nice. So I'll try this out as well. This is from the soap company. This is the body wash. That's a third product. And the two small product, I didn't even open the plastic. So one is the lip scrub. This is a lip scrub that is from the dark chocolate lip scrub and the herbal blend. Let's check this out. Okay, it's neat. The similar kind is there if you use it Good Vibes bottles. Complete chocolate. It just smells like chocolate. Okay, it's just smooth. It's like a jelly consistency, and you need to apply it like this. It's just like a Vaseline you apply it, and there is little bit of scrub in that. So I'm really excited to try this lip scrub. That is chocolate lip scrub, and that is the fourth product. And the fifth product is Miracle Moisture Toning Face Cream. The face cream is also of same quantity. And let me just try to open this. I want to show you all how does it look. Okay, there is a seal inside. The packaging is different for this. Okay. Ouch. Smell is nice. It's white consistency. Can you see? It's like this. The smell is nice. So that is the face cream which I got it in this 20 grams of tub. That is the fifth product. And the last product, sixth product, which is Colombian Brew Coffee. This is in liquid vanilla flavor, and this is in chocolate mocha. So this is that is 2 of vanilla, 2 of chocolate. That is 4 sachets of coffee. So this is the 7th product. So on the whole, 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry, this is 6 and 7, two flavors. So on the whole, you get 6 products in this Fab bag, and this beautiful bag. Don't forget about this. This is a beautiful bag as well. I really love it. The zip is also awesome. It's very strong, so you can use it to store your cosmetics or money or anything. So it's very nice. I love the color. And all this you get only for 599 rupees. Yes, you're right, only 599. So if you're planning to buy this, if you're interested, I will share the link to buy this Fab bag. Definitely go ahead and check that out, and you can get all these products along with that blush only for 599. And there is 2 cards as well. You need to click your pic along with this Fab bag, and you can tag it on Instagram and Twitter. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share this video to all your friends and family. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.